Morning. Just had delivery of some new sidebars. So I got these ones from eBay actually, Vanstyle. I think they were just about 100 quid, just over 100 quid. Okay, so this is what comes with it. There's the 4 brackets, all the fittings and some instructions. Okay, let's have a look at these. It says on here that it's going to take 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I doubt it will take me less than 30 minutes. It'll probably take me more like an hour, but we'll have a look. I've got to take this trail because they're going to feed down here. So I've put on some safety glasses for this because we know full well there's going to be 5 years of dirt behind here. Which is just going to keep falling on me, so we'll see how we go. I think this one is going to have a lot of rubbish behind it. I'm just going to get out of the way. Let's see. Yeah. Definitely advise safety glasses. Okay, so this back splash shield's removed now, so I should be able to just get it to fit in. And then, now with just the front screws removed, I'll take these washers out, which are these little bungs. If you can see, there and there, and there's a little bit of a bump there, so you can identify that it's this piece here, which is the back, and then that one is going to be the front at that side. The 2 bungs just popped off relatively easy, so they're off now. So we need to basically fit in these threaded plates with the lock into those 2 holes now. So that's going to go up in the thing, and then it's got to go washer through that washer and the spring washer, and then the M8 nut in that order. And so there's 2 of them at the back. So let's get the bits for them as well. Yeah, so it's that, the washer, spring washer, and the nut. Okay, I'll keep them together. Right, let's get them on. As you can see, quite a lot of debris coming out of it, so we'll move on to the front one. Okay, for the front there's 1, 2, 3 for the front tray, and then I think we should be good to probably actually get away with just 2, that one and that one. So let's get those 2 undone. To just force this down a bit and work on it. Let's pop those bungs out and then get the bits on. That's one, and then that's the second one. Yep. Okay, that's the 2 bungs out. Just wedged a bit of tape in here, so it just keeps the tray down a bit. Makes it easier to just to create the space to work. Right, that's both of those brackets in with the main bracket there. So I just need to tighten those up, and then we are ready for the sidebar on this side. Yeah, that's taken 40 minutes though. Okay, I'll fasten the tray back up now, and then that should be ready for the bars. A little bit of silicone back on just to lock the nut off. That's going up nice and tight. Go to the front one. Okay, does that look better? I think that looks better. As opposed to that side. Right, spun it round, move the grey water output, and I'm just going to put the bar on the other side, so it should potentially be the same as the other side, just the opposite way around. I'd make sure that you get all the nuts and bolts, because these bolts need slightly bigger washers, so make sure that you don't use those on those. Right, that's all finished. Yeah, I think the best notes to make on that is you're going to get very muddy from all the stuff underneath, and you've got to basically you're best to keep put all the bolts, washers and everything together, because the 4 that go actually into the bar have different size washers, so don't get them mixed up. That's it. That's my advice to everyone. Just going to give it a quick clean before we do the big reveal, because it is absolutely filthy at the minute. So, and then interested to know your opinions of the sidebars. Yeah, give it a quick clean. So I'm interested to know, do you think it's better with or without the sidebars?